The 511 First Responder Jacket combines ultimate protection from the elements with outstanding functionality and a versatile design. The First Responder is a fully seam-sealed waterproof jacket that's also breathable, and the inner softshell liner can be removed and worn separately. The storm flaps at the front of the jacket and adjustable sleeve cuffs at the wrist keep you protected from the elements. The Responder's hood can be rolled up or removed. We've added a full-length underarm quick zip system to access your sidearm or for ventilation when weather heats up. The internal softshell liner has sleeves that can be removed, and the inner liner is also available separately. The zipper document pockets at the chest can hold plenty of gear, and the pull-out ID panels at the chest and back can also be removed. We've added a mic clip to keep you connected, and gripper patches at the shoulder to help keep your gear in place. Lower hand warmer pockets can be found on the sides of the jacket, as well as 2 pockets on the front, which have been added for comfort and versatility. This is the 511 First Responder Jacket.